Hello and welcome, YouTubers. This is Brother1G doing a quick video about some ideas I had for Syndicate's world since he's currently building right now. Don't worry about this right here, just a bit of a mess. One thing I wanted to show was an idea for the underground train station, make it look nicer. Syndicate, if you want the mobs to stop spawning, I suggest putting water on the bottom, like flatten out the bottom layer, put water down, that'll keep them from spawning. Also, put like fences on the side of your track so they can't hop on it, because I don't think you can even walk on this. As for lighting, you got quite a bit of redstone and you're apparently in the Stone Age. So, yeah, smooth out the walls. Use some stone bricks, like maybe like this. Looks nice. Like an archway. I think this is every 15 blocks do an archway. Yeah, every 15 blocks there's an archway. Glowstone light. Just plain glowstone wherever there's a redstone torch. You know, it corresponds with the wall. That's just a half slab. These are stone bricks. As you can see, it looks very nice. Once again, ignore this, didn't see anything. Also, like when you're exiting, you can put a little sign. I know this isn't in your world, so only because your world is like a bit inconvenient for me, that's all. Anyway, this ain't like a little bit of a sign about where you're going. Instead of having like all parallels, you might want to do like regular track, so you have a bit of time to catch your minecart instead of just having it fly down the track. Let me show you in a second. There we go. Not right there. Break already. Stupid mine track. Just leave it down there. You didn't see anything. Oh. As for your train tracks, if you're gonna have them on lands, you might want to put up fences so mobs don't jump on it. And as for your station, I know you're saying you're looking for an NPC village. Well, instead of coming like destroy everything like you normally do, you can make your little train like your station looks like it's actually a part of the village itself by incorporating some of the basic designs that the NPC uses, such as fences, wood blocks, lamps. I mean, I personally think this looks nice. Oh, this here, this is to stop the mine carts, so you can just get in, press a button, and go wherever you want. See, this way it leads back to your train station, or my copy of it, and this way leads to a slime farm. Oh, just 1 minute. Oh man, there's about to be a whole bunch of slimes in a few minutes. But anyway, let me show you the slime farm real quick. Go. Yeah, I know, this is a bit cramped. Yeah, this was just made like a quick stop. Oh, XP farm. I'll show you that in a minute. So come out here, just jump down here. Make sure you need to get in there. So ignore all this redstone. It's just doors. Okay. So like when you find a slime bio, just flatten the land like this. You don't have to use TNT. You just have to make it like a flat sheet that's at least 16 by 16 blocks, giving them plenty of room to breed. I mean, not breed, spawn. I mean, this might be a bit incorrect, but it should do the trick. However, nothing's spawning right now. Probably have too much light in here, that's why. You know, you can have some light, but not much if you want a slime farm. Although, do you know you can fight other mobs when it's not bright enough. So, just looking for the egg right now. There you go. Okay, those are monstrous. Yeah, so you can have like a few torches, but not much. And you be in slightly lit areas. There you go. Sorry, my computer is not the best in the world, so it's lagging severely. Yep. Jumping slimes, redstone, a lot of stuff is going on right now. Let me get out of here. Let me close that door real quick. Okay, door's closed. And now, yeah, knew that was gonna happen. Stupid slimes. Up here, and yeah, this is a treehouse. Just a basic design. Need to break in here. So basically, this is just basic design for a treehouse. There's nothing really in it. What the heck? Ow! What the heck? Okay, so apparently my treehouse wasn't bright enough, so this thing spawned in it. So I'm gonna fix that. Yeah. Mind getting out my treehouse? You know you're supposed to be in here. Stupid zombie. Now speaking of mobs, where did this one come from? Did it come from up here? No, the light should be coming out from the treehouse up here, so no. 1 minute. Sorry about that. That was just random. I don't get it. Where the heck did that thing come from? And look at this place. Fully brick. Be right there? I don't know. Anyway. Now that thing's dead. Let's go up here. Show you this slightly cool XP mob trap farm thingy. If it was working correctly. Oh nope, it's working correctly. Just didn't get here in time. Basically what this does is the mobs spawn up there in a very dark room. They'll come down here and basically they'll start drowning because the water's pushing them down. So when they're in this little window here, obviously there's none right here because I'm here. Didn't make this high enough away from me. So since I'm here, they're not spawning. But when they're close enough, you can just go right here. You can kill them just when they're about to die and get yourself some XP. Or just leave them to die and you can go in and collect their stuff. Oh, there they are. But why aren't y'all going down and drowning? Oh, because they're climbing back up. Okay. So that's why you're not dying like you're supposed to. Oh, this is a very basic trap. Just go very high up like the jungle tree that I used. Now, let me see. Okay, let's see what's fun in this game, I know. Oh, crap. I probably destroyed something. Anyway, come on, come on. You try to drown. Thank you. I have to move out my way. Okay, where's the exit? There's the exit. Ooh. And they're probably drowning before they get here, so that's a problem. One minute. I'm worried about what all that water leaking out did to my tracks, because I might have did something